All right, we are live. All right, here we go. Then we gotta go over here. Gotta go boop, boop, boop. All right, we should be live. No. All right, we are live. Okay, so we're taking a look. We got a possibility for some strong thunderstorms, possibly tornadoes and hail today. Welcome everybody to the stream. Alright. Tornadoes and hail. Yep, we are live. Welcome everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we're looking at this possibility for strong thunderstorms, possible tornadoes, possible tornado too. Okay, we're on that one. Alright, let's switch to this one. Let's go ahead and look at velocity. Alright guys, we got a strong thunderstorm here in Terry. Where are we at right now?
Alright, I'm gonna go take.
We are.
I'm gonna go take some stuff and go to bed. Hey, Libby, get your ass out of bed. You're such a loser.
What the heck? Is Montana that big? I guess so. Alright guys, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and look at this. We got some isolated supercells forming, giving a strong possibility for some tornadoes. Okay, guys. Sorry. Alright, we're looking, the storm near Terry, Idaho, or Montana, sorry guys, is getting pretty strong. Severe thunderstorm warned. Get to the lowest part of your building if you're inside of this. How do I hide this?
Coconut? Oh, I do like coconut, yeah.
How do I hide this? Taskbar settings. Hold on, guys. I'll have to activate Windows. Never mind. My bad, y'alls. Alright, we're watching these cells forming here. Pretty strong storms. Forgot to turn low latency on. That's okay though. It's okay though. Thank you everybody who's joined my stream. Looks like this storm here has just popped up. It looks like it's gonna become pretty strong. It's gonna become a pretty strong storm. Yep, this storm just fired up. This one is right behind this line of storms. I think it's gonna do some damage before it gets engulfed by this line. Go ahead and look at velocity on it. Looks like it's got a little bit of a mesocyclone forming on that. Let's go ahead and look at Connor Croft's view. Yeah, that's a pretty nice storm. I forgot I can't look at that while streaming. My bad, guys. My bad. All right. Let's look at down here in Ooh, Colorado Grand Junction is getting hit by a strong storm right now, guys. Strong storm in Grand Junction, Colorado. Let's look at what this includes. We got 1 inch size hail and 60 miles per hour winds. Severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Grand Junction, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees if you're in Grand Junction. That is a strong storm. Let's go here. Put this up. Some strong storms forming up in Arizona right now. Let's go back up here to our main spot. Let's click on this storm. This is a very strong storm. Let's look at velocity on this thing. Isolated supercell. Yo, it looks like it's forming a bit of a mesocyclone. Oh yeah, big mesocyclone on this cell. Big mesocyclone. Strong rotation on the storm. I'm surprised it hasn't gone tornado warned yet. Let's look at correlation coefficient. No big tall tail sign of debris for a tornado, and there's no report of a tornado yet, so thank you everybody who's joined my stream. I appreciate that. Alright, let's go ahead and see if there's a radar close. Nope. We got another little blip forming right here, guys. Can I just change the color and let it stay that color? I just want dark pink. Okay, now let's close it. Oh, sweet. Okay. Alright, okay. Sorry, guys. Alright, it looks like we got some supercells forming right in front of this line of storms. This is a strong storm right here. Damage threat is considerable. Tornado possible with this storm. Where's this heading towards? It's not over any main population. Broadus? You guys, hold on. I am copying that. Hold on. Kind sir, I do not speak Spanish. Could you translate that to English, please? Thank you for joining my stream, by the way. I appreciate that a lot. Makes my day. We got some strong storms. If you are Atlántico todo el mundo, que viene hurricane. Category 4 hurricane. Dang. That's crazy, bro. Category 4 hurricane. Thank you for... Oh, he left so fast after I said I don't speak Spanish. That's funny. That's pretty funny. Alright, we got storms. Let's see. Oh, yep. Fallon, you guys are about to get into the thick of it. Not under a severe thunderstorm warning yet, but I'm sure they're gonna extend that over Fallon. If you're in Fallon, get to the bottom level of your floor. Expect damage to roofs. Expect damage to your cars. We're gonna come back over here. Hello everybody. Welcome to the stream. How are you guys all doing? We got severe storms up in Montana right now, just forming. They just went out of Montana. North Dakota? Yeah. We got storms in North Dakota that are just forming. We got, where is this at? No populations over this cell right here. It's got a nice little mesocyclone on it. Pretty good hail on it. It's going to continue to move over rural areas. It'll probably make it to Manning in a little bit. Oh, no. Right there. Let's go 30. I think move about 30 miles per hour. Calculate. Okay. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Oh, we got a funnel cloud, guys. We got a funnel cloud. What cell is that? Wow. This is beautiful. Alright, guys. It looks like we might have a tornado on the ground. Beach, North Dakota. Reed Timmer has a tornado on the ground on the stream. Is this Beach, North Dakota? Where is Beach, North Dakota? We got a tornado on the ground, guys. Is this cell down here? Maybe I need to reload my velocity. No, definitely not this. Wow, that is a large tornado on the ground right now, guys. If you're enjoying the stream, please consider liking and subscribing. Gotta get rid of that. Maybe it's the cell. I think it's gotta be the cell. Let's go to velocity. Yeah, I think it's the cell. There might be a tornado on the ground, or where's? Can I just search somewhere up? Oh, I can. Beach. Oh no. Beach, North Dakota. Okay. Oh yeah. Confirmed tornado on the ground, guys. On the storm. Both of these cells are tornado possible. If you're inside of this tornado warning, get in a low-lying area like a ditch, or get underground. There is a tornado on the ground, guys. Tornado on the ground. We got a tornado on the ground, guys. Can't tell what storm that's for. Large tornado on the ground. This is a dangerous situation. Let's see. They still haven't put a confirmed tornado. I think it is the storm. Yep. Alright, guys. If you guys are inside of this, we have a tornado right here. Right over Blacktail Road. If you guys live around there, you know where that is. There's a tornado on the ground near Blacktail Road. Oh, wow. Still is not confirmed. Oh, I gotta edit this. Hold on, guys. Okay. Alright, guys. Did they confirm it yet? No. We got a confirmed tornado on the ground right now, guys. No major population. It's near Anderson Butte. It's on Bell Lake Road right now. Tornado over Bell Lake Road right now, guys. It's moving east towards Manning. This tornado is heading towards Manning right now. Thank you for everybody who joined the stream. Ooh, I got a subscriber. Sweet. Sweet. Crap. Welcome to the stream. We currently have a tornado on the ground over Bell Lake Road. It's heading east towards Manning. Manning, you guys still got a good 30 minutes to an hour before this tornado gets to you. If you're under this tornado warning, please get to your safe spot. There is a confirmed tornado on the ground. It looks like it lifted. I'm watching Reed's stream. Looks like it's lifted, so that's good. moving east. How fast is it? Severe thunderstorm capable of producing tornadoes located 9 miles southeast of Trotters. Where's Trotters? Fairfield. There's a tornado on its way to you right now. Confirmed tornado on the ground. If you're in Fairfield, try to get an emergency plan. Try to get underground. Welcome to the stream, everybody. We got a tornado on the ground, ongoing tornado on the ground, guys. The tornado is about right here in this general area. It's probably over Beaver Creek Road right now. Tornado over Beaver Creek Road right now.
Because it just seems like they're trying to.
This tornado is moving. How fast is this tornado moving? Welcome to the stream, everybody. Welcome to the stream. We have a tornado on the ground right now.
Are looking good and not, and if it's helped or if it's the same.
Tornado is moving this way.
So many tests going on and just so many things to check.
Tornado heading towards Fairfield right now. We have a tornado on the ground heading towards Fairfield. It does say radar indicated, but I'm watching a storm chaser. There is a big funnel cloud, I think a possible tornado on the ground right now. Very strong velocity. Let's look at reflectivity.
I just think that will help with the stress.
Tornado is over. Let's look at velocity actually. It's probably over Beaver Creek Road right now. We got a tornado over Beaver Creek Road right now. Thank you for joining the stream, everybody. Thank you. Strong velocity signal right here. This is a really strong velocity signal. There is a funnel cloud with this storm right now. I think the tornado has lifted. Oh, thank you, everybody, for joining the stream. This is a large tornado on the ground. Let's see if there's any other tornado warnings. If anybody in the stream has a place they want me to go look at, I'll gladly do so. Looks like the tornado right now is heading over Beaver Creek Road right now. It's heading east. Fairfield, you're the next town in this tornado's path. So if you're in Fairfield, try to get underground. Try to get into a basement or the lowest floor of an interior building, as this is a strong storm. We have another severe thunderstorm down here that has a pretty strong meso. You can see right here the green and the red hitting each other. That is also moving east. I'm not seeing any Gaylord. That is in the path of the storm. Anyways, so we have a worst case scenario right here. There is a strong velocity couplet moving east. Are there any close towns? I'm not seeing any towns in the path of this storm, but if you are inside of this warning, please get underground into the lowest floor of a building. Stay away from any windows. Try to get into a bathroom or closet. This is a strong tornado on the ground, guys. Retimmer is covering the storm right now. There was just a funnel cloud. Oh wow, this velocity cup is getting really strong. There was just a very strong velocity, very strong. There's a really strong velocity couplet on this, and Retimmer just showed a possible tornado on the ground. there was a very big funnel. I think it's lifted right now, but it is trying to put down another tornado. So, it is moving towards Fairfield right now. Fairfield, you are in the path of this tornado. You guys still have a good couple of minutes before it gets to you, but try to get to a bathroom on the bottom floor of a building, or to a basement if you have one, as this storm will be at you next. Let's see how fast the storm is moving. 30 miles per hour southeast. Yeah, Fairfield, you guys are in the direct path of this storm. Gorham, you guys are also in the path of this storm. Okay, let's come here. Let's go boop, and then it's moving at 30 miles per hour. Enter, calculate. Gorham, you guys got 37 minutes until the storm hits you. In Fairfield, you guys got a good old 43 minutes until the main part of the circulation hits you. So you guys have time, right? If you're thank you for that chat. Thank you for joining the stream, by the way. Sorry guys, I accidentally left my stream latency on normal, so but I'm not trying to end the stream or anything. Thank you for the chat though. I appreciate that a lot. Strong velocity couplet moving southeast right now. Gorham, Fairfield, you guys are in the path of this rotation. I don't know if there's still a tornado on the ground with this storm, but just a minute ago there was a very big funnel. This storm down south also has a pretty strong couplet to it. It is moving, this is moving probably northeast a little bit. Here, let me check. Oh, no, it's just moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a very fast-moving storm. Oh, they just made it go tornado warned. We got a tornado warning heading east at 45 miles per hour. Gaylord, you guys are in the path of this. If you're in Gaylord, get to your safe spot. A bathroom or a closet at the bottom floor of your building, or if a basement if you have one. This rotation couplet is seriously picking up on the storm up here. It is over, probably right now it's over East River Road, heading southeast. Gorham and Fairfield, try to get your emergency plans ready, as it'll be to you next. It's a very strong, two really strong supercells. Both of them are tornado warned right now. Very fast, very dangerous. I'm not seeing a confirmed tornado right now, but there was a tornado on the ground a little bit ago on this storm moving towards Gorham and Fairfield. This rotation couplet is seriously picking up. Let's see. Yeah, this rotation is so strong. This is a dangerous situation if you're inside of this tornado warning, so please try to get to your safe spot and try to get underground. Thank you for everybody who's joined the stream right now. I appreciate that a lot. And thank you for StormTrack360 for the comment. Let's Storm Chasers. Alright, while we wait for these to update, let's go look at these. Okay, here, let me go to reflectivity. Sorry, guys. Fallon, where am I? Is this Montana? Yeah, Fallon, Montana. You guys are under probably 70, 60 mile per hour winds right now. Strong damaging wind gusts will produce damage to your roofs, wind or trees, and loose lying objects. So try to secure those, and make sure if you're in any of these severe thunderstorm warnings, make sure you're at the lowest floor of a building, as that's the safest spot to be. Let's go back over to these tornado warnings. Yeah, really strong couplet right there. That is a dangerous storm, guys. Dangerous storm. moving southeast. I think it's gonna hit Gorham. Hopefully not, but if you're under this tornado warning, please get to the a bathroom on the lowest floor of your building, or to a basement if you have one. If you can, try to get it to a basement in this storm. That is the safest spot to be. Also, wow, that is a really strong couplet. Holy. We got a, let's go look at correlation coefficient. Can't tell. I think we're too far away from the radar right now. Thank you everybody who's joined my stream. I appreciate it a lot. If there's any city or town you guys want me to check, I will gladly do so. Yeah, this is a really strong storm. Also, this storm, if you are in the core of this, it is gonna have pretty big hail in it. Ping pong size hail, so that's enough to do damage to your car windows, roofs, and windows on your house. So oh, what the, that looks like Canada's radar. Velocity, oh my. Ooh, I did not mean to click on that. I don't want to get copyrighted. Wow, even stronger rotation on the storm right here, guys. Even stronger rotation. This is a really strong rotation. What's in the path of this? Gaylord, you are in the path of this tornado warning. It's moving east at 40 miles per hour. So if you're in Gaylord, get underground. If you're anywhere inside of these warnings, get underground or to the bottom of your building. This is a very dangerous situation, guys. Alright, let's go to reflectivity. We do have golf ball size hail, I'm pretty sure, with this storm. Golf ball size hail, so that's enough to do damage to your windows, roofs, and car windows. If you're under any of these tornado warnings or severe thunderstorm warnings, expect damage to your house. Make sure to get underground or to the bottom of lowest floor of your building in a bathroom. It's the safest spot to be. Make sure there's no windows in your bathroom, though. If you do have windows in your bathroom, get to a closet or something, as that will be your safest bet to survive. If you see the tornado coming, don't go out and film it. That's like the worst thing you can do. Not a very safe thing to do. Nope. Alright, let's drop south and look at this storm down here. Wow, that, oh my. This storm definitely has that iconic hook shape. You can definitely see it trying to form a little bit of hook echo. That is just a sign of rotation for the storm. I'm not seeing any direct rotation. Nah. It might be trying to form a little bit of a lowering and some rotation on the storm, but I think it is mostly okay right now. It's over mainly rural areas too, so that's good. Alright, we're coming back up to these tornado warnings. We have 2 tornado warnings right now, guys. Very dangerous storms. Let's go ahead and look at velocity again. Oh my, this rotation couplet is strong. We possibly have a really strong tornado on the ground, guys. It's a really strong rotation couplet. I'm not seeing a funnel with this storm right now. It looks like it has lifted, but there was a brief tornado on the ground for a minute. Back where Aaron J. Jack is. Alright, let's see how far Gaylord is away from this. Where's my freaking, there we go. Gorham, I mean, sorry. Gorham, it was moving 30 miles per hour, I believe. Calculate. Gorham, wait, let's make sure it's going that fast. Yep, 30 miles per hour. Oh my. Alright, Gorham, you guys have had plenty of lead time for this storm. You guys still have about 20 minutes before the rotation goes over you. So if you're in Gorham, please get underground. You guys have had plenty of lead time. Get underground or to the bottom of your building. Oh my. Yep, they just updated this tornado warning. Fairfield, you guys are now under this tornado warning. Any other towns? No, I'm not seeing any other populated areas under this tornado warning. It's a good thing. Wow, we have 2 strong rotating supercells. Both are heading towards populated areas. Like Gaylord is in the path of this storm, and Gorham and Fairfield, you guys are in the path of this storm. If you're in any of those areas, you know that a possible tornado is heading towards your town. So get underground or to the bottom of a building, lowest floor of a building, in a bathroom or a closet. Those are the safest spots to be. Let me see if this storm has a tornado. Nope. Alright, there's no tornado on the ground yet with this cell, but it could produce at any moment. There is a very distinct lowering on this storm right now, but there's no tornado yet. Thank you everybody for joining my stream, by the way. I appreciate that. Two tornado warnings right now. Looks like there is another cell forming. Another cell forming near Bowman. Yeah, we got a little bit blip over Bowman right now. That blips are dangerous. They are strong. They are dangerous. Okay, let's click on this. Let's go to velocity. Wow, this couplet is still really strong. We have 2 tornado warnings right now for everybody just joining. 2 tornado warnings. Pretty dangerous storms. Thank you everybody who's in my stream right now. Appreciate it. Alright guys. We have if you're just joining, we have 2 tornado warnings. This storm heading towards Gorman and Fairfield just dropped a tornado back where this person is. His name's Aaron J. Jack. There isn't a tornado on the ground right now, but there could be at any moment. So this storm is heading right towards Gorman right now and Fairfield. If you are in those areas, please get underground or to the bottom of a building. These are 2 really strong storms, very dangerous. If anybody has any images of any of the storms, any damage, you guys send it to my whatchamacallit, X. I forgot they changed the name. Alright, let me check if there is a tornado with this storm yet. Alright, I'm not seeing any tornado on the ground with either of these storms, but they could produce a tornado at any moment. So if you're inside of these warned polygons, get underground to your safe spots. Don't go out and try to film the tornado. That's how a lot of people die from tornadoes. Sure, you've seen some videos. Alright, we're going to drop down here to this warning. We have a severe thunderstorm warning down here. I'm not seeing any major populations in this path. But if you are here, expect damage to roofs, windows, and trees. Let's drop down here. We don't have anything down there. Utah. What the heck? Oh, wow. Alright, we have a severe thunderstorm warning down in Utah right now, too. Alright, let's go back to these tornado warnings. Go velocity. Alright guys, we got a dangerous storm heading towards Gorham. If you're just joining, and Fairfield, Gorham is in the direct path of this rotating mesocyclone. So Gorham, if you live there, try to get underground or to the bottom floor of your building into a bathroom or a closet. Try to get to somewhere in the middle of your house that has no windows. Yep, Gorham, this red and green, bright white hitting each other is rotation on velocity. Okay, we're gonna get rid of this. Okay. Thank you everybody who's in my stream right now. I appreciate it for joining me. Okay. Wow, this rotation is really, really strong. Here heading east at 40 miles per hour towards Gaylord. Gaylord, you are in the path of this possible tornado. So let's see how much time you have. It's moving 40 miles per hour. 45. Moving east at 45k. Okay. Here's about where the tornado would be. Is that? Yep. Okay. 45. Calculate. Oh, it didn't calculate. That's okay. Okay. Whee. I think it was like right there. 45. Enter. Calculate. Okay, it's just not working. That's okay. It doesn't even matter because if you're inside of this tornado warning, you should be taking shelter already. Looks like the rotation on the storm is looking a lot less impressive on both of these cells, so that's a good thing. Hopefully this storm continues to die out before it's able to get down to Gorham or Fairfield, and same with this storm, because that would be very good. There is a distinct wall cloud on this cell here, but there's no tornado on the ground as of right now. Tornado could drop at any moment though. Thank you everybody who's joined the stream. I will be streaming for most of the night probably. Ooh, my back. Alright. Alright. Looks like we have a new cell forming over Bowman. This is going to continue to intensify, and it's going to be isolated for quite a minute before this line of storms is able to engulf it. So, yeah. Glendive, you guys are about to get hit by a very strong wind and hail from this line of storms. Expect damage to your roof and trees and windows. There's about half dollar sized hail, 1.25 inches. Very strong hail. Okay, let's look at velocity. Hopefully these oh no, they just picked back up. That is not good. Both of these rotating mesocyclones have picked their rotation back up, so that's not good. We got inflow coming in, clashing. Yep, Gorham. This rotating mesocyclone is coming right at you, by the way. So it's a very dangerous thing. Ping pong size hail will be included with this storm, so if you are inside of the storm, it's going to be very dangerous. Yeah, no funnel cloud with this storm right now, so that's a really good thing. Thank you everybody who's joined my stream. Feel free to leave a chat. I'll be here for most of the night. Any questions you might have about the storms or anything else? Alright. Let me make sure there's no tornado on this storm. Yeah, I can't see. That's okay. no confirmed tornadoes right now, but we have 2 tornado warnings if you're just joining. They're both heading towards populated little towns here in North Dakota, so that's pretty dangerous. The rotation is over mainly fields. It is gonna go over Blacktail Road here in a second and eventually make it to Gorham. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. I am back, guys. I'm sorry. I was gone for a second. I had to go do something. All right. Wow, this rotation is continuing to impress me. It is very strong. We could have a tornado touchdown with both of these cells at any moment. If you're in these warnings, please get underground. They're very dangerous storms. Very dangerous. Hold on. I'm gonna open something real quick, guys. I will keep talking with you, but I'm not seeing. Oh yeah, we're having images of the funnel come in. If you want to see it, go to Aaron J. Jack's Twitter or X or whatever it's called. I'm gonna repost it on mine. I'll put my Twitter account in the. There we go. Okay, so if you guys want to see all these tornadoes and damage reports, go check out my Twitter. They'll all be on there. Alright. We got really strong rotation that just went over East River Road. Oh wait, I do want okay. East River Road. And it's gonna go over Blacktail Road as it enters Gorham. Gorham, this tornado is currently tracking to possibly hit you, so make sure to take these warnings seriously. Don't be scared, be prepared, as Ryan Hall y'all always says. Thank you everybody who's in my stream right now. Thank you everybody who subscribed. I appreciate it. We got 2 strong supercells. Both of them are tornado warned. Gaylord is in the path of the southern one. North Dakota, Gaylord, North Dakota. And Fairfield and Gorham, North Dakota. Both of the tornado warnings are in North Dakota. This one to the north here has produced a tornado back around right here. And it doesn't seem to have any tornado right now, but it is trying to produce, constantly trying to produce. So, very dangerous storms that we're looking at today. Very dangerous. Wow, thank you everybody who subscribed. That's like more than I can ask for. 5 subscribers, that's the most I've ever gotten. Wow, thank you guys, I appreciate you. Can't tell if that's a glitch or if the rotation just completely died out. We got 2 tornado warnings. Their rotation is continuing to look less impressive, so that is a great thing. I'm hoping both of these mesocyclones die before they can get to these populated areas. hope they continue to look less impressive because we don't want to see any tornadoes hitting anyone. We got a bunch of blips forming down here. Blips are dangerous. They form in to produce some of the strongest tornadoes. It looks like they're gonna have a little bit of time to get strong before this line is gonna take over these cells. Let's hope that this line moves faster so that we don't see anybody getting hit by these tornadoes, because we do not want that. We absolutely do not want that. Are these under the 5% risk? They are. Looks like we do have a few isolated supercells down south that are going to be isolated for a while. So hopefully they don't have enough ingredients to mature into forming tornadoes. Let's hope they stay less organized storms, because we don't want any tornadoes down there. That would not be good at all. Looks like they're gonna let this tornado warning go ahead and expire. Don't know if they're gonna let this one expire yet. The rotation is looking a lot less impressive. It looks more disorganized, so that's a great thing. We don't like to see tornadoes. There might be some rotation right here. No, maybe. Wait. Our radars are so bad over here. Yeah. What radar are we? Yeah. We do not have the best radar positions here. So if anybody wants me to look at a specific storm or town, just throw a chat in and I will go ahead and do that. Yeah, it looks like they are going to go ahead and let the storm towards Gaylord expire. The rotation just isn't looking strong on that one right now, so that's good that they're going to let it expire. That's a good thing. Wow, what in the... I think it is just a radar glitch. Let's go ahead and look at this radar then to make sure. Oh, that does not look very good. This radar is way farther away, but you can see pretty strong rotation in the upper atmosphere still. Looking at that rotation that far away. Thank you everybody who's joined my stream so far. We will continue to stream until late tonight, till there is no severe weather left. Oh, I think they're gonna need to continue this tornado warning. Wow. We have pretty impressive strong rotation. It looks like this storm's trying to recycle right now. I think it is recycling. Oh yeah, that rotation just came back in the latest scan. So I think they're going to extend this tornado warning in Gaylord. So be ready for that if they do Gaylord. And this, oh my goodness, guys, this rotation seriously picked up. It's getting extremely close to Gorham. If you're in Gorham, get underground into a basement or get to the bottom level of a building or a basement if you can. If you don't have a basement, try to get into a bathroom with no windows or a closet with no windows that is in the middle of your house. Those are the safest spots to be in a tornado. If you're in a mobile home, try to get to a local tornado shelter or a ditch, because mobile homes are not safe at all. Two tornado warnings, this one actually was left to expire, so right now we only have one tornado warning. Let's make sure. Yeah, we just got one tornado warning, and it's in Billings, North Dakota. The tornado would be over Blacktail Road right now. If there is a tornado on the ground, it would be over Blacktail Road right now, guys. If you know where that is, then you know what I'm talking about. These are very dangerous storms. Don't take these warnings. Make sure to take these warnings seriously. Stay safe. Don't go out and try to film the storm, because that is how a lot of people end up getting hurt and dying. Very dangerous. Okay. Wow, 5 viewers. That's like really good. Wow. Thank you guys. Thank you for that. Yeah, this mesocyclone is continuing to become impressive. This rotation is really strong on the storm still. It's very dangerous for Fairfield and Gorham. Alright, we're going to go over and look. The damage threat for this severe thunderstorm is considerable. If you're in Knife River or Sydney, where is this, Montana? Yeah, Montana. Go ahead and expect damage to roofs, windows, or trees. Alright. We got some very strong hail in the storm. It looks like the hail core is going to go over Fairfield. So if you're in Fairfield, you guys are going to have some very, very strong hail. So that is pretty dangerous. Alright. Looks like there is a bit of rotation in this Sydney storm. So if this does end up going tornado warning, be ready for that in Sydney and Knife River. There's a line of severe storms. Falling debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter, so instead of this tornado warning. Alright guys, the two main warnings we have are this tornado warning and this severe thunderstorm warning if you're just joining. We got some very dangerous storms today. Possibility for some strong dangerous winds, some big hail, and possible tornadoes. This storm did produce a funnel cloud. I just learned it was not a tornado, so I was giving false information, so I'm sorry about that. Okay, good. Rotation is looking less impressive, but it looks like it might be doing a rotation handoff. Possibly. We got two new cells? Yeah, two new cells forming down south. Near Bowman, Hettinger, Reeder. Those are some pretty main towns I see over there. Some very strong storms. Thank you for joining the stream, everybody. I appreciate it. I'm going to continue to stream for most of the night. Try and keep everybody I can safe. My PC's growling at me. I didn't like the sound of that. Ooh. It looks like these storms down south are still looking unorganized. Let's hope it stays like that. We do not want to see a tornado down here. There's not much storm chasers down there to cover it. I think most of them chose the north Sorry guys, the north storms had to burp. We still have one tornado warning. If you are inside of this tornado warning, get underground into the bottom of your building in a bathroom or closet. Make sure there's no windows in the room you're trying to take shelter at. If you're in a mobile home, I would get into a ditch because mobile homes are not safe during tornadoes. Do not go under an overpass, as that can accelerate the wind speeds if the tornado does go over you. Doesn't look like there's much of a spot for an overpass anyways, because this is very rural North Dakota. Thank you everybody who's liked and subscribed. I appreciate that. This is the just gonna go ahead and go boop and go boop. Okay guys, got some very strong storms if you're just joining, heading in North Dakota, and we got a very strong line of storms also heading through North Dakota. We have a severe thunderstorm heading towards Dixon. This is probably the biggest town that we've seen impacted by severe weather today, that we're going to see impacted. We still have this tornado warning. If you're inside of it, get underground, get to your safe spots. Be prepared. Dog mixed up. Alright. I'm watching live streams. I'm not seeing any tornadoes on the ground right now, so that is a good thing. Only some severe thunderstorm warnings. Do not attempt to drive through these storms, by the way. These are very dangerous. Very strong winds, big hail in these storms, so would not recommend. So we did have one tornado warning end, which is a good thing. Let's go ahead and look at velocity. This rotation is still super strong right here. This is still some really strong rotation. We could have a tornado on the ground right now, guys. Let's go here. I think this rotation is trying to recycle on the southern storm right now. I think it is trying to recycle right now, so let's go ahead and look here. Alright, this line of storm is continuing to wreak havoc. Glendive, you guys are probably experiencing 60-mile-per-hour winds, which is strong enough to do some roof damage and some window damage. Some damage to trees too, and possibly your cars, if it's able to fling debris at your windows. Wow, wow, this is not good. This is not a good situation. Wow, we have a really, really strong rotation on this storm. Really, really strong rotation. Gorham, you guys are just a couple of minutes from getting hit by this rotation. If you're in Gorham, get underground now. You don't have much time. You guys have had plenty of lead time for this tornado warning, and it's about at you, so get ready. Looks, the tornado is probably over Blacktail Road right now. If it is on the ground, there could be a tornado on the ground over Blacktail Road right now. I'm not seeing a tornado right now, but there definitely could be one. I'm doing something. This rotation is continuing to get stronger. Wow. Very strong rotation, guys. This is dangerous. We have a tornado warning right now in effect for Gorham, Fairfield. If you're under this tornado warning, get to your safe spots. This rotation is trying to, I think this rotation is recycling as it goes towards Gaylord right now, guys. That is a very dangerous situation for Gaylord. We don't want to see any tornadoes hitting them. That would not be good at all. Oh, I didn't mean to click on that. Oops. Boop. Okay. Oh, okay, guys. So I just got new information. This tornado did get confirmed. There was a confirmed tornado for this storm. So, knowing that, please get to your safe spots in Gorham, because there was just a confirmed tornado on the ground. They did just confirm this tornado. It's not on the ground right now, but it was. So it has that possibility to produce a tornado. So that should be more than enough to motivate you to get to your safe spots. Alright, let's go ahead and look at correlation coefficient. Make sure there's no tornado right now. They have not extended this tornado warning yet, so hopefully they know something I don't and there's no tornado right now. Let's just hope that there's no tornado. Got some extremely strong rotation with this storm right now. Green means winds moving towards the radar. Where's our radar? Okay. I'll show you guys how to look at velocity. Okay. I want to change the color. I don't like this color. No, we can't use green. Blue. Okay. So, red is our radars. Like, say this is our radar. Red means the winds are moving this way, and green means the winds are moving this way, and they're meeting up right here, which is causing rotation. Hello, welcome to the stream, bro. Thank you for joining, by the way. Jay, I like your name. Hablo de esta tormenta tropical que todo el mundo está. Hold on, I'll be right back. Jay, stay in the stream. I'm gonna translate this all. I'm not very great at Spanish. Sorry guys, I'm back. Anybody know how to translate this? Oh wait, I can just copy and paste. Hold on. Yes, Jay, there is a great possibility that that tropical storm in the Atlantic Basin will strengthen. So make sure you're listening to your local National Weather Service. It looks like they went ahead and canceled both of these tornado warnings.
Libby, can you go find the body?
How do I? Okay. So it looks like they went ahead and let both of the tornado warnings expire. So there is no direct threat of a tornado right now. Both of the tornado warnings were left to expire, so that's a very good thing. So right now we have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings. Gaylord and Daglum, I think that's how you say it. You guys, both of those towns are in the path of this severe thunderstorm warning. There is a possibility for some large hail, strong winds if you are in any of these severe thunderstorm warnings. Looks like lime-sized hail for both of them. That is enough to shatter your windshield and enough to cause damage to your roof. So very dangerous, very dangerous. We're going to continue to monitor these severe storms as the night goes on, so please consider liking and subscribing. There's a tornado warning. Where is that at? Uh-oh. Where's the next radar at? Right here. Uh-oh, guys. Lake Charles. You guys have a confirmed tornado on the ground in Lake Charles. Where's this at? Okay. Near New Orleans, right? Yeah, okay. Lake Charles has a confirmed tornado on the ground right now. This is a dangerous situation if you're in Lake Charles right now, as there is a confirmed tornado on the ground. Wow, this tornado popped out of nowhere. Got CC. Nope, nothing right there. Let's look at this radar. This radar is a tad bit closer. Still nothing. Yeah, there is a definite hook echo on this cell right here. So we're going back to the main risk area. If there's anywhere you guys want me to look at, go ahead and put it in chat and I'll check it out. Sorry guys, I'm looking at Twitter, other known as X, to see any damage reports from the tornado that was just on the ground. Hello everybody, welcome to my stream. I hope you guys are all having a good day. If you are just joining me, we had 2 tornado warnings and a tornado on the ground for a few minutes. This is the cell that had that confirmed tornado. It is moving over Gorham right now. Gorham, you guys are in the path of this storm. The rotation has died out. I'll show you guys when the tornado was on the ground. Oops, I don't want to do that. Okay, right about here, there was a tornado on the ground. Since then, the tornado has lifted, so that is a very good thing. If you guys are under a warning, make sure to listen to the warnings. Make sure to have a weather radio with you if you have one. That'd be a great idea. We have no tornado warnings right now, so that is a very good thing. Looks like both of these cells are about to be engulfed by this line of severe storms. So looks like we might have tornadoes that form from it, but we're not gonna have any distinct long track tornadoes. Most likely. We do have these cells down here though. That's the thing. Don't think they're not gonna produce anything. There's no way. We have some isolated cells down south, but they are very unorganized. So I don't think they'll have the ability to produce anything. Let's go right here. We got two isolated severe. They're weren't actually. We have two isolated storms though. None of them have a meso on them right now, but they could. Why am I in full screen again? Boop. Boop. Yeah, it looks like both of these storms are just in a spot where they're going to have some pretty good ingredients for some tornadoes for just a minute, and then they're going to exit that area. So it is looking like these cells are going to get engulfed by this line of severe storms, and they'll lose that long track tornado potential that they have right now. So let's hope that both of these cells get disrupted pretty soon, so we don't see any more tornadoes today. Yeah, so right now, this storm has a little bit of rotation still. It still has the possibility to produce a tornado at any moment. So if you are under the severe thunderstorm warning right now, I would still say stay near your tornado shelter, because this cell could go tornado warned again at any moment. It looks like it is trying to recycle right now. So make sure you're at the bottom, the lowest level that you have in your building right now. And make sure to have a safety plan. I'm going to go ahead and check something again. Thank you everybody who's joined my stream. I appreciate it like a ton. It makes my day to have people join my stream. So thank you guys. Dang, 6 likes. Wow, that's really good for considering I started like an hour ago. Wow, against the subscribers. Oh, someone just left. That's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Please consider subscribing. I will be going live every day that there's a chance for some severe weather, so tomorrow I will also be live, just in case anybody was wondering. Actually, nobody cares. I'm just kidding. Okay. I'm looking at Twitter right now. Yeah, no more tornado reports, but that was a confirmed tornado, so that's very cool. Very cool. Just in case anybody was. Ooh, I just probably put some echo to the stream. Wow, thank you for the 4 subscribers I got from this stream. I appreciate that a ton. A ton. Looks like both of these cells, it looks like it is trying to recycle its rotation right now, so not good at all. Let me go ahead and look at the storm dynamics, or let's go to the HRRR and look at the lower level jet right now. Oh wow. Wow, yeah, we do have some really strong cape feeding into these storms right now. Let's look at the bulk shear. The low level jet is kicking in right now. Oh wow. Alright guys, okay. I'm looking at a live stream and a wall cloud is forming as we speak right now. We do have a wall cloud forming. Dangerous storm. It's a wall cloud forming. This rotation's recycling. There's a new wall cloud on it. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes tornado warned in just a second. Would not be surprised. He's still alive. That's a good thing. We do have a inflow jet, some inflow going into the storm. If you want a live look at the storm, make sure to join Reed Timmer's stream. He is looking at it right now. We got a wall cloud forming. A new wall cloud's forming right about here. Gorham, you guys are getting hit by the hail right now. You'd expect damage to your roof and cars. Beautiful storm, by the way. Beautiful storm. Do you know what's good for you? The dog is gonna. I love that. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm sorry I had to go for just a second. I didn't look at velocity. We got a strong velocity couplet. It looks like it is recycling right now. Very strong rotation. I'm surprised it's not tornado warned. We're gonna go and look at this confirmed tornado that they have down here over Lake Charles. Do have a confirmed tornado over Lake Charles right now, guys. If you're in Lake Charles, under this tornado warning, it looks like it's over the regional airport. It's over the Lake Charles Memorial Hospital for Women and Prairie Land. So it's moving southeast, northeast, southwest. I don't know my directions. That's kind of funny. We have multiple strong supercells right now, guys. Multiple big supercells right now. So this one is producing. It is recycling right now, and it's trying to put down a tornado. So, very dangerous storms. If you are in the path of any of these storms, try to get underground. Get to your safe spots, as that will be very, very helpful to keep you safe. If you don't have a tornado shelter or a basement, get into a closet or bathroom on the lowest floor of your building. Make sure there's no windows in that room. Strong hail and very strong wind are associated with this storm, so I think lime-sized hail, which is big enough to put holes in your roof and smash your window, your car windows, and even your house windows if the wind's pushing them strong enough. So looks like the hail core has that out on this cell. I don't think this cell is gonna. I think it is currently dying right now. So hopefully it continues on that downward trend and we don't see anything happening to it. Oh wow, guys. This cell has a very strong rotation over it right now. It's about to move over towards, where's that at? The Theodore Roosevelt Highway. Theodore Roosevelt Highway. There is a big mesocyclone moving over the road in just a second. Right now it's over 22nd Street Southwest. If you live in this area and know where that is, then assume you know where the wall cloud is right now. That could produce a tornado at any moment. I know it's not tornado warned, but I have a look at this storm and it is very strong. It's rotating really fast. We have two severe thunderstorm warnings out in front of this line. They're about to get engulfed by it though, so that that tornado potential is gonna lower for these cells here soon. So that is a good thing. Although we might have a few QLCS tornadoes, so. Damage threat is considerable for the storm. 60-mile-per-hour winds and lime-sized hail. So if you can imagine that, it's about as big as the palm of your hand. Ice balls at the size of the palm of your hand falling from space. So if you can imagine how damaging that can be. Why is my stream always just delayed? I don't know why it's doing that. Go ahead. Yeah, this velocity couplet is seriously picking up on this cell. Big wall cloud. I have a live view of it. There's a big wall cloud for the storm. Alright, we're gonna go down and go through all the warnings right now. Okay. That is, I don't know what severe thunderstorm warned. I have no idea, like. Is it just like far away from a radar? Oh yeah. Okay, it's in the middle of nowhere too. Table Mountain, there is a severe thunderstorm heading your way. If you live on Table Mountain. Okay, let's go over to this one. Okay, here we go. Hutlet, you'll have just a couple of minutes before the core of the severe thunderstorm actually goes over where you are. Doesn't look like you're gonna get hit by any hail, but you will get hit by 60-mile-per-hour winds, which is strong enough to blow some roof shingles off your house and some loosely lying debris around. So, alright, let's go up here to this tornado warning. Alright, Buffalo, there is a severe thunderstorm heading towards you right now. It's over Camp Crook right now, if you know where that is. This is gonna be a damaging severe thunderstorm, as it is carrying some pretty big hail and some pretty gusty winds, which is but anyways, the two main storms that we're focused on are over here. We got two pretty isolated supercells that are about to get engulfed by this line of severe storms. Really pretty looking storm though. This one is. I wish I could click on his view thing, but I can't. I would get copyrighted. Sadly. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and look at see if I can get any damage reports for the storm. No, there's nothing too concerning right now. No tornado warnings right now, which is good. There was a tornado that was with this storm that did touch the ground right over here, but that was quite a while ago. Oh. Alright, guys, I'm gonna click on the stream for just a second. Hold on.
Might be cooked.
Oh yeah, definitely a possible tornado on the ground right now, guys. Where is this heading? It's going right over it's probably over 22nd Street Southwest right now, if you know where that is. We might have a possible tornado on the ground here in the next few seconds. This wall cloud is super low to the ground, really strong rotation with this storm. If you guys would excuse me for just a sec, please stay in the stream, but I'm gonna go grab some water. Alright, guys, I am back. I'm sorry, I had to go get some water. I have a really dry throat from all this talking. Right. So this is very, very strong supercell. We got 2 strong supercells. Both of them still have some rotation in them. I wouldn't be surprised if this cell went tornado warned. Oh, never mind. That rotation just like seriously went down. Very beautiful supercell though. It's definitely got that iconic shelf cloud look to it. Just by what we're looking at. If you're enjoying the stream, please consider liking and subscribing. It would definitely make my day. Yeah, I've gained 4 subscribers this stream though. That's like the most I've ever gained. Thank you everybody who's joined the stream though. Appreciate that a ton. A ton. Yeah, this line of storm is gonna take over these cells, so the tornado potential is gonna significantly lower with these storms here soon. But there will still be that damaging wind threat and that damaging hail threat. Maybe these storms, sorry guys, maybe these storms stay isolated for a little while longer, but who knows? Who knows? Dang, thank you everybody who's joined the stream though. If anybody has any questions or has any comments, go ahead and chat them. Because we don't have anything too severe going on right now. If you guys are in any of these severe thunderstorm warnings, make sure to get to the lowest, the bottom floor of your building, because these strong winds and the big hail is a very serious threat. It looks like there's plenty of cloud to ground lightning in these storms, so that is also very dangerous. Oh, my dogs are barking. My bad, guys. My bad. Oh, I gotta go make my dog be quiet. I'll be right back. Alright, never mind. Anyways, it looks like we do have a possible derecho trying to form right here. Definitely very dangerous storm. We have a super dangerous weather outbreak right now, guys. If you're just joining the stream, we got this line of storms producing very strong wind that is able to damage your house, throw loose-lying objects around. We also got this very big hail core that will send hail through the roof of your house. So expect damage if you're inside of any of these severe thunderstorms. Looks like the rotation is recycling again. Nothing as bad as we saw earlier today. This storm did produce a little bit of a tornado earlier today. It looks like it is done trying to produce tornadoes. It might still be trying to produce a tornado though. There is still some pretty strong rotation. We don't have any tornado warnings right now, which is a really good thing. Very dangerous storms still though. We got this line of 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Sustained winds of 70 miles per hour, so that's extremely dangerous, guys. Very, very dangerous storms. I'm gonna look at Gorham. You guys are almost out of the thick of this cell, and then you guys are gonna get hit by the 70-mile-per-hour winds. So Gorham, you guys still have quite a while in this storm. Gonna be really strong winds, capable of damaging your houses, downing power lines. Does look like the storm is trying to produce a little bit of a derecho. So, yep, both of these isolated cells are gonna get engulfed by this line of storms in just a couple of minutes, maybe 10-20 minutes. max. Wow, I have 7 viewers. Hello, welcome to my stream, everybody. Welcome. I'm gonna go to velocity. Still, both of these cells still have a little bit of rotation in them. Could account for a quick tornado spin up. No tornado warnings right now, which is really good. Just severe thunderstorm warnings. This line of storms, let's see, how fast is it moving? It's moving east at 40 miles per hour, so let's just do this, then go whoop, whoop, and then 40 miles per hour, okay. Okay, anyways, sorry guys. Anyways, so score you a point. You got 17 minutes into this line of severe storms gets to you. Dixon, you guys got about an hour before this line of storms, but there is a little bit, you guys are going to be seeing a little bit of rain for a second. And apparently, in Utah, there was some severe storms today. Well, let me close that. Let's go down here. One of my moderators just informed me of this. There were some severe storms in Utah, and apparently 5 people got struck by lightning. So that's kind of insane, guys. 5 people got struck by lightning. So I was just informed of this. Go ahead and click on this. Okay, this line of storms is about to hit Medora. You guys are about to get hit by 70-mile-per-hour winds, and possibly some pretty big hail. So very dangerous situation if you're in any of these severe thunderstorms. Try to get to the lowest floor of the building you can. Make sure to get to your safe spot because these are very dangerous storms. Big hail will be with these storms, possible of putting holes in your roof, damaging your cars, and damaging trees. Also the wind, 70 miles per hour. That is very extreme wind, so very dangerous situation, guys. Someone on my Twitch asked, am I going to be streaming tomorrow? Yes, I will. Thank you for the chat. Nobody on my YouTube chatting. 7 viewers on my YouTube. Thank you everybody for joining the stream. This is a very dangerous situation for anybody here in North Dakota, southern North Dakota. It looks like a bit of a derecho trying to form, so that's going to be very dangerous for anybody caught inside of these storms. So try to get to your safe spots. If you're in a mobile home, try to stay safe in them. If you are in a mobile home, try to get to a more sustained home. Maybe go to a friend's house before the storm hits, because it will be dangerous to be in a mobile home during big windstorms and stuff like that. Don't go driving out in these storms because they're going to be very dangerous. Trees are going to be getting knocked down. Houses are going to be damaged from these storms. Not much rotation left in these cells, so I don't think the tornado chance, there's not too much of a tornado chance right now. Let's go ahead and reload that. Alright, we're gonna go look down south here. At the bottom of this QLCS line of storms, there's gonna be some. Looks like there might be. Let's look at velocity. Yep, there's some rotation down here, so we might have some quick tornado spin-ups. This severe thunderstorm goes all the way towards Belle Forte. That's how far down south this line of storms is. So we still got some isolated storms down here, but they don't look like they're gonna be maturing for tornadoes, but they are still got some hail. No, I'm not seeing any lightning in them either. So let's go back up here. Lime size hail for these storms, so that's about the size of your the palm of your hand. So imagine that falling out of space. Very dangerous. Don't go outside if you're under these storms. Hail will be deadly if you get hit in the head by one. Could be very fatal. Possible cloud to ground lightning strikes, as I said earlier. In Utah, 5 people got struck by lightning. So that's like actually insane. Never heard of that before. If you're enjoying the stream, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. If you have any questions or any comments, go ahead and leave a chat. I will be streaming any day that there's a possibility for severe weather, or at least trying to, so. Thank you for the 5 people who have subscribed today on my YouTube, and the 6 people on my Twitch who have followed me, and appreciate that a ton. Four people on my YouTube, sorry. Alright, Medora, you guys are, let's see how fast the winds are. Yep, Medora is probably getting hit by good old 70-mile-per-hour winds right now. This line of storms will wreak havoc in all the towns it hits. So that is a very dangerous situation. Excuse me. If you're in any of these warnings, please take the warning seriously. These are very dangerous storms that could potentially be fatal. So don't go outside if you're inside of these severe thunderstorm warnings, as they're severe thunderstorm warned for a reason. These are very dangerous storms. So. Lots of cloud to ground lightning in this QLCS line of storms. It looks like these storms are finally getting hit by this line and are gonna most likely lose their rotation. It might enhance it for just a second, but most likely they're gonna lose their. It looks like this cell here still does have a little bit of rotation on it, and so does this cell. So if they do end up going tornado warned. Make sure to have your safe spot ready. They did crap, I can't think today, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm a tad bit sick right now, so that's my bad. They did extend the severe thunderstorm warning. That's what I was trying to say. Sorry, guys. Doc mixed up. Not too much happening right now. Very strong line of storms right here. They'll be packing 70-mile-per-hour winds. That is very dangerous to anybody caught outside in these storms. Possible flying debris could impact you and be fatal. Strong hail may impact you. Also, lots of lightning in the storm. Lots of cloud to ground lightning. As you can see, all these lightning strikes are cloud to ground. So. Also, Storm Track 360. Thank you for joining my stream, by the way. and commenting. You too, Jay. Thank you for joining and chatting. Can I see everybody who's recently subscribed? I wonder. Let's check. Let's look. No, I think I have to end the stream, but wow, guys, thank you so much for everybody who joined the stream. Great care of you. 700. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to check something. I'm trying to see if I can get any images onto my Twitter of damage from the winds right now. Sorry. Alright, guys, I am officially back. I'm sorry, I was just trying to do something. Alright, okay, so right now we're looking at this all these severe thunderstorm warnings, possible derecho, moving through southern Dakota. These will pack a punch of some pretty strong hail and very, very strong wind gusts. Very strong wind. I think it's like a sustained wind of like 65 right now, and very high wind gusts. Do not go outside if you are caught inside of these severe thunderstorm warnings. They will be very deadly, so very dangerous storms. I'm gonna do my best to try to keep anybody who's joined the stream and is inside of this danger zone safe. So right now there are no tornado warnings, just severe thunderstorm warnings, so that's good. But these severe thunderstorm warnings are dangerous. If you're inside of one of these severe thunderstorm warnings, there's too much of them to name. Expect damage to your roof, to your windows, to your cars. There will be flying debris inside of these storms because very strong wind gusts are capable to throw any loose lying objects and even some like sustained objects. Okay. Wow. Okay. Anyways, we're continuing to moderate these storms. So. Oh, it looks like we're having some rotation spin-ups instead of this line of storms. Down here around, it's not around anything. Over, what does that say? East River Road. And then another one up here, around Blacktail Road where that tornado almost touched down earlier today. Luckily, these storms are in mostly rural areas, so no direct impact to many big towns are happening right now. Mainly just little towns. The biggest one being impacted right now is like Medora right now, I think, or Bowman. Bowman's a pretty big town too. The storm is heading towards Dixon right now, though. Dixon is getting some slight rain right now, but you guys are not in the thick of it yet. Where in the world is Gorham? You guys are going to have a little break from these storms, but in just a second, 70-mile-per-hour winds and pretty big hail are going to impact you again. If you're in any of these zones for severe weather, make sure to be listening to the warnings as they'll keep you safe. They will keep you safe. I'm going to go ahead and look at velocity. Yeah, we got some very strong rotation spin ups inside of this QLCS line. Oh wow. Wow. Bowman 80-mile-per-hour winds. You guys are under a destructive severe thunderstorm. 80-mile-per-hour winds is enough to cause severe damage to roofs, your any part of your property you have outside. And also south of Bowman right now, over Theodore Roosevelt Highway, yeah, or Express EXPY. I don't know what that means. My bad, guys. There is a really really strong rotation couplet, so I would not be surprised if that went tornado warned here in a sec. Very strong rotation couplet. Destructive severe thunderstorm warning. If you are under this one, expect severe damage to any of your property, your roof, your window, your car. Try to get your car into your garage if you can. Don't go outside in the storm, though. This is a very, very dangerous severe thunderstorm. Wow, thank you for everybody who's joined my stream, though. Appreciate it a ton. Please consider leaving a like and subscribe. What? Why is my category game? What is this? My bad, guys. I did not set this stream up. I was late to the stream. I was trying to hurry. I'm sorry, guys. It's okay. I'll fix it tomorrow. I will be live streaming tomorrow if you guys want to go ahead and join that with me. So, yeah. If anybody has any questions or comments, go ahead and send a chat. We got 14 severe thunderstorm warnings. We have 1 destructive. This is a very dangerous storm. I'm going to go ahead and actually read it off. Where is it? It's right here, huh? Yep, okay. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. for southern Gold Valley, Bowman, and Slope counties. So if you guys know where that is, then good chance it's coming towards you. It's moving east. North Dakota is moving east right now. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles northwest of Amidon. I think I said that right, I hope. 9 miles northeast of Rame, 10 to 10 miles south of Bowman, moving east at 55 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Slope and Bowman counties. Hazard. 80-mile-per-hour winds and a quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, vehicles. Extensive damage and power outages are likely. So this is a destructive storm. If you're in Bowman, it's heading towards Reeder right now. It's going across this road. It's going to be at Gascoigne and then Reeder next. This is just extremely dangerous situation for anybody caught inside of this storm. Very, very, very dangerous situation, guys. Please listen and heed these warnings, as they will probably keep you safe. Destructive storm. Expect moderate damage to your roofs. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed from these strong winds. These dangerous storms. This is a very dangerous situation for Bowman right now. Scranton, Gascoigne, Amidon. This is a very destructive severe thunderstorm. So get inside, get to the lowest floor of the building you're in. If you're in a mobile home, expect it to be heavily damaged or destroyed. Large hail will cause damage too. Try, if you can, and you're in Reeder, if you're outside of the severe thunderstorm, New England, try to get your car inside of your garage, because it will be heavily damaged. Probably windows will be destroyed in it. So let's go ahead and see if that velocity couplet's still there. We got some rotation right here. Not as distinct, but there's still some rotation inside of the storm right now, guys. We got some pretty dangerous supercells, so there are tornadoes possible throughout this whole line. Quick spin ups will lead to quick tornadoes. So make sure you're on the lowest floor of your building. So if you don't have that much lead time and there's a tornado on the ground, you can be able to get to your shelter quickly. If you don't have a basement, try to find your safe spot. Try to find a closet or a bathroom with no windows that's in the middle of your house, and it's on the bottom floor. That is your safest bet. So, of trying to stay safe in these storms. Dixon, this dangerous line of storm is gonna be hitting you here in 30 minutes probably. So, if you're in Dixon, get ready. The storm is gonna be here soon. This is a dangerous situation for anybody caught inside of these storms. Quick rotation spin-ups will lead to pretty strong tornadoes. Large hail will damage your roofs, your car. Expect power outages if you're under these storms. So that is also going to be pretty dangerous. If you have to drive through, I would recommend not driving through these storms. That is very dangerous. It'll get you hurt. Sorry guys, I need some water. I'm gonna go ahead and look at this storm. Yep. What in the? Is this for tomorrow? Oh, okay. Okay, sorry guys, I was looking at something. If you're just joining my stream, we have a large line of severe thunderstorms. These will be producing heavy wind, big hail. If you're inside of any of these warnings, make sure to get to the bottom floor of a building, as these are going to be really dangerous storms. If you are in these severe thunderstorm warnings, expect damage to your roofs, damage to your considerable damage to your roofs. If you're in a mobile home, there's going to be extensive severe damage to you if you're in a mobile home. There's going to be, try to get your car inside of a garage, because that'll be very dangerous with the storm. Sorry guys, I'm adjusting right now. Expect power outages too, as power lines will be easily knocked down by these strong winds. So no tornado warnings right now though, so that's good. But I am seeing a little bit of spin ups inside of these storms. Like right here, that is a pretty strong spin up. Right here too, right here. So we might have quick tornado spin ups in the storm that might not get tornado warned. Let's just hope that doesn't happen. Make sure if you're in any of these warnings, you're in the bottommost floor of your building. Get your safety plan ready, as severe storms will be very damaging today. Oh, we just hit 40 views. Thank you guys. Thank you everybody who's joined the stream. Thank you. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, or you guys want me to check something, go ahead and leave a chat. I will. We still have these isolated storms down south. Are these ones just forming? Yeah, they are. We still do have these isolated storms, as I was saying. So, if these decide to mature and get strong as the sun goes down, we might have some tornadoes down in South Dakota. So, let's go ahead and let's look at velocity. Oh yeah, there's some really strong rotation at the southern tip of this storm right now, so it's very dangerous for anybody caught in this storm. Could be a little bit of a tornado spin up here. over US Highway 85, if you know where that is. It's at the little intersection that goes to 168. Alright, our main damage for the rest of the night is just going to be wind damage and hail damage. So that is going to be very dangerous for these storms. Oh, can I edit this? Okay. Okay, hold on guys, I'm fixing something. Alright, sorry guys, I'm trying to fix something. Alright guys, sorry, I just had to edit my stream. Alrighty. Oh, we got a tornado warning, guys. Radar indicated tornado warning. We got a strong tornado spin up, 2 mesocyclones. This is a dangerous situation. Anybody caught in this tornado warning. Gaylord, you guys are under another tornado warning. This is like you guys' second or third one today. If you're in Gaylord, get underground now. This is a extremely dangerous situation. Please get underground now. We want you to stay safe. So, tornado warning over Gaylord. Anywhere else? Nope. Daglum, you guys are also under this tornado warning. If you're under this tornado warning, get to a basement now or to a bathroom or closet on the lowest floor of your building. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Take precautions right now, guys. Take precautions right now. These tornado spin-ups that happen inside of QLCS lines can be very strong and very damaging. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. Hold on. QLCS lines. Alright, guys. So, if you are just joining the stream, we have a tornado warning. We have a current tornado warning. We have a pretty strong rotation couplet here south of Daglum, and I'm pretty sure they issued it because of this couplet, but it's since then it's died out pretty fast. So the storm is moving east. We got a tornado warning though, so if you're under this tornado warning, don't take any sort of risks that you don't need to take. Get underground now. We don't want anybody getting hurt from this storm. We got a little bit of a rotation couplet here heading east, heading towards Sheffield. I don't know if I said that right. I'm sorry, guys. Sheffield. I don't know. Sheffield. I'm just going to assume. The reason they issued the tornado warning, the quick spin up has died, but there is another couplet right here of rotation. I wouldn't be surprised if they extended this tornado warning because of this rotation. We got a strong velocity couplet. Looks like a little bit of an embedded supercell in this storm. There could be a tornado on the ground. If you are in any of these warned areas, please get to your safety shelter immediately, to a tornado shelter or basement. If you have neither of those, get to the lowest floor of your building and get into a bathroom or closet that doesn't have any windows. That's your safest bet to stay safe in these tornado warnings. This is a very dangerous situation for anybody inside of this line of storms. 70-mile-per-hour winds and large hail can be very damaging and could cause some serious injuries. We have had one confirmed tornado today, so I wouldn't be surprised if this touched down. So, very dangerous situation, guys. thank you to my 4 viewers who have joined the stream. I appreciate that a ton. Looks like they're not gonna go and extend this tornado warning, but they might. I don't know for sure. Yeah, both of the rotation couples have died off, so I think they're gonna go ahead and let this tornado expire, or they're gonna cancel it. Keep in mind, guys, we do still have a strong line of storms that can produce tornadoes at any minute, quick spin ups at any minute. Is anybody in the chat playing the game Outbreak? Low-key pretty excited for that. Pretty hyped. There might still be a little bit of rotation here. So if you're in this tornado warning, stay in your shelter in your safety area. If you're in anywhere in these severe thunderstorm warnings, I would also recommend to get underground, because there's going to be very strong winds associated with these storms and some pretty large hail. Secure everything down that you can if the storm still hasn't hit you, and then get to your safe spots. Flying debris will be dangerous with these storms, as very strong winds. Expect damage to your roofs. If you're in a mobile home, expect pretty severe damage to your mobile home. So I'm gonna go ahead and do something. I'm gonna go ahead and put a poll so that you guys have something to do. Okay. Alright, guys, we're back. Here we go. Sorry, guys, I was checking something. I had to go do something. Alright, I'm back. Anyways, so we still do have this tornado warning. If you are inside this tornado warning, get underground now. Get to your safe spot. There could be a tornado on the ground at any moment. Sorry. There's a huge line of storms spanning through North Dakota and South Dakota. If you are in any of these severe thunderstorm warnings, I would consider to get underground to your safe spot, as there'll be 70 to 80 mile per hour winds, sustained winds, I'm pretty sure, and some even stronger wind gusts. So large hail will be associated with the storm. If you are in the path of these storms but you haven't got hit yet, I would recommend securing down any loose-lying objects and moving your cars into your garages, as hail and wind will throw debris around and produce damage to your house, cars, and power lines are probably going to get knocked down, so do expect no power for a little bit. We do have one tornado warning still that is in effect. It is over Gaylord, and I don't see any other town under this tornado warning, so velocity. Yeah, I don't see any rotation in this tornado warning still, but then again, I'm not the National Weather Service, so if you are under this tornado warning, still stay in your safe spot. This line of storms will be packing a huge punch. Considerable damage will be associated with the storms, including house, cars, power lines, trees. Loose-lying objects and debris will be thrown around inside of the storm, so please try to get everything secured and then get into your safe spot as the storm passes over. This will be a very dangerous storm, so nothing to... Make sure you're not outside if these storms are heading, because it's very dangerous situations, guys. Very dangerous situations. Thank you to everybody who's in my stream right now. I appreciate it a ton. Thank you for the 4 people who have subscribed and my 6 likes. I will also be live again tomorrow, so if you guys want someone to watch, I'm here. Uh-oh. And I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. 2 viewers right now. Thank you. Alright, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the stream now, guys. Thank you, everybody who joined the stream. I appreciate you guys a ton. There's just not much stuff weather-wise happening right now, so I might go ahead and just end the stream. Stay safe out there. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. End stream. End. Boom! Alright, there we go.